let's talk about a possible career path when you know Python. And one is testing and automation. Now, what is that? Why would we use this? Well, think about it. If, let's say, you had a company that was working on an app, you want to make sure that this app works properly. And what a lot of companies do is hire people who can help with testing. Now, we have a section on testing with Python in this course, where we write unit tests through code. But usually when people work with applications, we're human users. We perhaps touch the screen if the app is on an iPad. Perhaps we scroll through and submit a form. We need to test and automate these steps to make sure our applications work. And companies hire Python developers in order to help with automation. You see, through programming, we can actually interact with something like a browser or an app and mimic human actions to make sure that the application works as expected. Now, this isn't just for phone apps. This works all across software. If you're working with software, you want to make sure that it works properly. And instead of hiring thousands of people to test your app, you could totally do that. You can also, through code, mimic thousands, millions of users playing through your app and testing out your application. So, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how a testing automation person might work with Python. It's going to be a fun one. Through code, we're going to perform actions on the browser. Let's get started.